Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn about mathematical set operations in Python. So first, we will learn about union. The union of two set is a set consisting of all the unique elements from both sets. We can calculate the union with the vertical bar operator or union operator like this, or with the set types union method. Let's create our two set first and use the union operator. So this will be our set one with some values 1, 5, 7, and our set 2. This will be 7, 9, 10. And we are going to perform a union of these sets, and also print the result. So this would be S1 union S2, and just save and run our script. And here is the union of our two sets. The appearance of the binary set operator, like this one, must both be sets. And now we are going to use the union method to perform the union. And I will create a set 3, set some values 10, 50, 60, and our set 4, and some values 70, 60, 90, and 100. And we are going to use a union method and also print the result. So this will be S3 dot union. Here I'm just gonna use the list instead of a set, and this will be 70, 60, 90, and 100. I will just remove this one. And save. The set methods may receive any iterable object as an argument, and here I'm passing a list. When a mathematical set method receives a non-set iterable argument, it first converts the iterable to a set, then applies the mathematical operation. And now we can run our script and check the output. And here is our resulting set, the union of these two. Now we will learn about intersection. The intersection of two sets is a set consisting of all the unique elements that the two sets have in common. We can calculate the intersection with the AND operator or with the set types intersection method. Let's create our two more sets and perform our intersection. So this will be, I will just use a print statement and the sets. So this will be 240, 10, and the intersection, just the common element we will get. So this will be 40, 390, and just run our code. And here we get the intersection of these two sets. Now we are going to use intersection method. I'll just gonna copy this one and modify a little bit uh, over here. I will make it 100 and 100 over here and just run. And now we get the intersection of these two sets. We have 140 common. And now we are going to, and now we will learn about difference. The difference between two sets is a set consisting of the elements in the left operand that are not in the right operand. We can calculate the difference with the subtract operator or with the difference operator with the set types difference method. Let's see how to do it. Now, first we need two sets. Print and our set 10, 5, 15, and the subtract or difference operator. And here we have these values 5, 100, and 15. Let's print these, the value. So the result is 10. We don't have 10 on the right side set. Now we are going to use difference method, and I will just copy this line and just modify some values. And add one more value over here, 100, and just save. And here is the difference. And now we will learn about symmetric difference. The symmetric difference between two sets is a set consisting of the elements of both sets that are not in common with one another. We can calculate the symmetric difference with the caret operator or with the set types symmetric underscore difference method. I will just copy this line and again modified here and some values. And here will be 90. And this operator, we need to change it to caret and run. And here is the resulting set with 90 and 100. Oh, 90 and 10, sorry. And now we are going to use symmetric difference method. I will just gonna copy again the sign over here. And now use a symmetric difference method with our set and also pass in a list. So over here, I will remove this one and dot symmetric difference And remove this one. And over here, this one too. And surround with the print. And I will change few values here. Also 310, and I will add a 300 over here. And just save and run. Need to remove this N. And we get the same result. Now we will learn about disjoint. Two sets are disjoint if they do not have any common elements. We can determine this with the set types is disjoint method. Let's use this line. Copy this. Yeah. Go to the new line, and I will change the values in the set. First, I'm going to change the values. One, two, three, and use is disjoint. And in this method, we are going to pass in a list or set. So this will be, I'm gonna remove this, and 4, 5, 6, and just run our code. And we get the true value because we do not have any common element. Let's change this line a bit. We'll copy this one again and add one common element and check the output again. I will change 6 to 1 and run the code. And now we get the false. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel, same code. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.